You're watching Two for the Road. Rock Crusher Canyon RV Park, located in Crystal River, Florida. Our first camping trip with our new truck and our new fifth wheel. This is our campsite, number 212. We're also group camping with some friends here this weekend. And also this weekend is also a 1-year anniversary when we met Dan and Suzy from Trails RVn. Down in the description down below, I'll put a link to their channel for you to check them out. We also got to meet one of Dan's co-workers and their family, and they were kind enough to host tonight's football game. Tampa Bay Buccaneers versus the Miami Dolphins. Okay, everybody say hi to everybody out there in YouTube land. Well, the Bucs lost the game by 1 point, but luckily enough, it was only just a preseason game. And here's a look around the recreation area of this park. You got a shuffleboard, you got some picnic tables, you got outdoor exercise equipment. And even a half court for basketball. Bigfoot likes to hang out here too. You also get some really nice looking pavilions to have some group shelter picnicking. And then right next to that, you got a really nice clubhouse with vending machines, a laundry room, outdoor TV, plenty of lounge chairs right along the nice big swimming pool. And last but not least, my favorite part, the hot tub. And a really quick drive through of the park. You have some standalone cabins you can rent, and tons and tons. In fact, it's over 580 campsites you can rent from. Just to let you know, you can book some of these sites up to 12 months. Alright, off to some activities outside the park. We went to Hunter Springs Kayak Rental and rented some kayaks and headed down the river to go visit Three Sister Springs to do some snorkeling, kayaking, and diving. Come along with us for some great views. When you first start out on the river's like black water. You can't hardly see it, but as you get closer to springs, the water becomes clearer and clearer. And here's the entrance to the Three Sister Springs. Look how clear it is.
We're going to start by sharing some great views while snorkeling at Three Sister Springs. The spring maintains a temperature of 72 degrees year-round, but in the summertime when it's 90-95 degrees outside, that first plunge is pretty difficult.
There are 3 large water vents, and these water vents is what creates the spring. And That is how the name of Three Sister Springs has come to be.
Here is little George scuba diving on Pretty Sister. The other two springs are called Little Sister and Big Sister.
And all along the shoreline, if you look closely enough, there is wild fiddler crabs. And now we have Dan trying out the diving gear. Okay, our time was up for our rentals for our kayaks, so we had to head back and go spend some time back at the campground. Enjoy some of the photos that we took of the kayaking and time spent at the campground. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you subscribe to our channel, as we may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. Thanks for watching. Two for the road.